A total of 6,000 odds, 10 matches is available today being Friday. And let's get started. The first game we have today is a game between Palermo taking on Venezia FC, and my prediction here is Palermo to win at full time. The next game we have is a game between Club Next taking on Serang in the Belgium division, and my prediction here is home team win at full time. The next one we have is a game in Netherlands where Heracles Amelo is taking on Go Ahead Eagle, and my prediction is home team win at full time. That's Heracles to win at full time. The next one we have is a game between Nancy Lauren taking on USR Orleans, and my prediction here is a home team win being Nancy Lauren to win at full time. Moving on, we have a game between SV Waldorf Mannheim taking on Armenia Bailey, and my prediction here is Waldorf to win at full time. You find this game in Germany Amateur League 3, and my prediction here is home team win. The next one we have is a game between Olympiacos Nicosia in the Cyprus League, and my prediction here is a Olympiacos Nicosia to win at full time. Olympiacos is taking on Inosis Nyon, and my prediction is Olympiacos win. Moving on, we have a game between Zibeldi Lubin taking on Stal Melik in the Poland Division 2, and my prediction here is home team win being Zibeldi. The next one we have is a game between Gia Abadia taking on Alba. You find this game in the Algeria League 2, and my prediction here is a home team win at full time. As you know, we have a premium platform where we share short 3 draws, 2 odds on daily basis. Also share 5 to 20 odds. That 3 draws comes with a total of 30 odds or thereabouts. So if you want to join us and win daily, my WhatsApp link is in the comment section. Chat me up, and do not forget to leave a like in this video. And also, very important, you can edit this game to your own taste and drop it in the comment section so that other viewers can also benefit from it. Moving on, we have a game between Ludogorets taking on Marek in the Bulgaria League. My prediction here is a home team win being Ludogorets Leningrad, and the last game we have in this ticket is a game between Ramniku Sarat taking on Uniri Branis in the Romania Amateur League, and my prediction here is a home team win at full time being Remiku Sarat. So that gives us a total of 10 matches, 6,111 odds. So drop your edicts in the comment section as I mentioned earlier, and then leave a comment where you are watching us from. Thank you, and I will see you after the match.